Here's a look at your temperatures. We've got low 50s, though. Actually, very comfortable, a little cooler start to your day than what we've experienced so far this week, especially west of Lexington. 50 Frankfort, 50 in Williamstown as well. We're at 57. It's been fluctuating right around 56, 57 in the Lexington area. 54 in Danville, a little bit warmer into southern Kentucky. I was looking at some cameras in the Somerset area, Lake Cumberland areas, a little bit more cloud cover, and that's moderating those temperatures just enough to keep those areas into the 60s because the winds are light and we're mostly clear here in Lexington, and that has allowed our temperatures to drop this morning. Also a little bit of some drier air as well. Viper radar right now showing dry conditions locally and around the region. West Virginia, Ohio, Pennsylvania saw strong thunderstorms moving through last night. That all missed us to the north and the east. Our main threat will be later on today as a line of showers and thunderstorms gets going to our west. That's going to be moving eastward, impacting us late this evening, mainly during our overnight hours. So daytime hours today, after the comfortable and actually cooler start to the day, by lunchtime we'll be reaching the low to maybe mid 70s, and then by the afternoon hours, mid to late afternoon, we'll be pushing the low 80s for most of the region. Lake Cumberland region may even be pushing the mid 80s after that mild start. Then watch what happens after sunset. Well, after sunset, we'll be tracking a line of showers and thunderstorms, strong to severe storms within this line as well. As it moves eastward, again, after around 10, 11 o'clock, that's where we're going to see our impacts, and likely after midnight for a lot of our area. You're going to see some frequent lightning, damaging wind gusts possible on the leading edge of this line of storms, then also some torrential downpours within the strongest parts of the storms. That line will be weakening as it does move eastward. By Friday morning, we're left with just some lingering rain showers, and those showers will be around through the first part of the day before we dry out into the afternoon. Want to show you the forecast lightning because it really shows where we will eventually see this line begin to weaken. A lot of frequent lightning into southern Indiana, eventually moving through the Louisville area around midnight here locally, midnight to 2 a.m. See a lot of lightning possible there. But watch as the line moves into eastern Kentucky, a lot less of that lightning, becoming more sporadic as that line weakens, and eventually we're left with just plain old rain showers by the time Friday morning gets here. So we do have a level 1 risk. This is likely to change between I-65 and I-75 and a little bit further east of I-75. Level 1 risk due to damaging wind gusts. For the most part, we'll also see frequent lightning possible as well. Then as you head towards western Kentucky, that's where we have a level 3 risk as that threat increases the further west that you go. But I mentioned we're going to drop temperatures behind this. Saturday struggling to reach the low 60s, struggling to reach the upper 50s on Sunday, and notice 37 Monday morning. I mentioned a frost chance. Yes, that is possible there as those temperatures will drop. And that's right around when our average last frost takes place. April 24th is when we usually see that here in Lexington. And a frost is at 36 degrees while a freeze is at 32. Now you may be thinking, how does frost form when it's above freezing? Well, we measured the temperature at around 5 feet above the surface. So the air above the surface takes a little longer to cool down than directly at the surface near the grass. That's where we could be at 30 to 32 degrees while the air temperature is at 35 to 37. So you can see that chance there Monday morning. For today, though, mostly sunny skies, warm temperatures, 82. Tonight is where that round of storms will be moving in. Heavy at times, a lot of lightning may wake you up during the overnight hours. And of course, make sure you have a way to receive weather alerts as well during the overnight due to that damaging wind gust threat. Then as you head into Friday morning, lingering rain showers there. Saturday into Sunday, we'll be seeing those cooler temperatures. Chilly start to your Monday on that go day as those temperatures climb back to the mid 60s by the middle of next week.